Hello, wonderful people. So for today's vlog, we are going to Ayala Circuit Mall, Immigration. So that's actually the Makati Extension Office. And we are going to do the renewal of visa. So let's see how is it today. Because the last time we've been there, it's not really crowded. And I think it took less than an hour to process all the stuff. And yeah, so we are traveling through Grub to Ayala Circuit Mall. Join us. And if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for any suggestion. If you recommend any places to visit here in the Philippines, let's see what we can do, and yeah, maybe in the future. We are now at the Circuit Mall, Makati, and then we are looking for the immigration here. Ah, yeah, here. Oh, it's nice here. We've never been here, huh? Ah, I know now. We're just around here. Yeah, walk around here. Yeah, this one. But it's nighttime. It's nice, huh? It's nice in the morning. In the afternoon. Oh, look at this one. This is so cute. He's so big. Yeah, I like the color. I like the color too. She looks like a tiger. The other one is just sleeping. Oh, he loves it. Me, 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 me. Oh my gosh. Favorite. Okay. Another branch of agave. The gem is just there. Gold gem. Gold gem. Then there's another one. Last September 24. I still remember it. It's nice. I don't know where are we now. Office. Oh, they can Xerox here? Okay, this mall is so big, huh? Oh, this is nice. Dogs everywhere. I think we have to go. It's nice, huh? We're almost at the immigration office. So we just finished a Xerox copy all the requirements. And then let's proceed. It's just in the 5th floor. So it's just in the cinema actually, and then you go up here. Actually, in the other side, there's another escalator going up to the 5th floor. I don't know if they removed the... Okay, it's still here. But you will see it, Makati Extension Office. There you go. It's here. We're here now.
2,000 years later.
We are at the 5th floor of Makati Circuit Mall. It's the edge. So that's the one, the office of PSA, Philippine Statistics Office as well here. The immigration and then the church. Okay, we're done now. So we're done now with the visa extension. It only takes 24 minutes with application and everything, and wait for the processing. So for the first time renewal of your visa, they only give you at least 1 month, and then for the next one it will be 2 months, and then the maximum is 6 months, but you have to get it from the main office, which is in Manila. I think it's in Ermita, Manila. Yeah, so we only paid 2,080, yeah, for 1 month visa extension. So that's all for today's visa renewal in Makati Circuit Mall. So thank you.
Thank you. Anything else? I think we're ready.
Leche margarita on the rocks. Mango margarita, frozen mango margarita. Hello, wonderful people. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. We are now 4K subscribers. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Cheers! Combo dos. Thank you. With the tomato and calamaris.
That's grilled. I think it's steak.
Is pork chop. So good. Some salad, tomato, and java rice and the sauce. So good. So thank you so much everyone for watching. Until next one, bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe, Mother Lala.